Hello MPC students, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay your class tuition fees and other fees using the My MPC portal. To access My MPC, we first need to log into Lobo Apps. Once we log into Lobo Apps, we can click on the My MPC app tile. This will take us to our My MPC portal homepage. From there, we'll need to hover over the student self-service card and then click the link Open Student Dashboard. Once you're in the student dashboard, click on Pay Student Fees. It's one of the items in the lower list. A new browser window will appear for onboarding with TouchNet. The first step with TouchNet, which is the payment gateway, is to read and then provide consent to conduct business transactions electronically. To provide consent, you'll need to click the I agree button. The second step for onboarding is to optionally add another authorized user. To add a user, enter the user's email in the authorized user field and then click continue. If you're not going to add an additional user, then you can just click no. Next, TouchNet will ask you to set up a payment method. To create a payment method, click on the method drop-down menu. Once the chosen method is highlighted, such as credit or debit card, click select. When a credit or debit card is selected, a new field appears. This is where you will enter the card number and then click continue. Follow the prompts to enter the name and billing information associated with the card and then create a name for this payment method in the Save Payment Method As field. The payment method name will appear when payment is made later on. Once all the fields are completed, click continue. This is the final step in the onboarding process. After completing the onboarding process, the payment landing page appears. The account balance displays in the middle of the page. To make a payment, click the Make a Payment button. Next, select the payment option desired. This would be the current account balance, pay by term, or amount due. When a payment option is selected, the amount appears below. Click Add to pay the amount displayed. Once the amount has been added to the payment total, click Continue. Then select Method from the Method drop-down menu. The payment method previously saved should display as an option. Once selected, click Continue. Review the transaction details and click Submit Payment. After successful completion, a payment receipt appears. It is recommended to print this receipt for your records. You can find the print button in the bottom right. I hope this video guide on how to pay for class tuition fees and other fees using My MPC was helpful. Thank you and have a great semester.